Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 11i, and today I will show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this device. It's very simple. All you have to do, open the Play Store. Right now, let me just turn on the Wi-Fi. I just turned it off, unfortunately. Okay, right now I'm online, so let's click to try again. And tap on the search pool, and right now you have to type iPhone keyboard. And we have to get the green Apple keyboard, this application. Let's install. Okay, right now we can open it. Tap to enable in the settings. Click here. Tap OK 2 times. Then just go back and click switch input methods. Switch to the English United States green Apple keyboard. Tap finish and take a look right now. As you can see, our keyboard has changed and it looks almost identical like on the iPhone, and here we got also emojis. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.